Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable double tap to screen on or off on Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using Samsung A36 or A56 and now you want to enable or disable double tap to turn on or off screen, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for advanced features here. Tap on it, then select motions and gestures, and here you'll easily get double tap to turn on and double tap to turn off screen. If you want to enable, just toggle this on, and after that it will be enabled. Now go back, and here whenever you want to turn your screen off, just double tap on your screen and it will be turned off just like this. And now if you want to turn it on, just double tap on it and it will be turned on. So if you want to disable the settings, so just go for settings again, go for advanced features, then motion and gestures here, and then just toggle these off to disable double tap to turn on or off screen in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.